Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo A78 5G to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them and click on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, select Open. In order to continue, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to. Then, in order to close it, just tap on OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to pick the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Oppo. You can select all of those categories at the top and in them click on those type of dots at the top left corner to choose multiple files from your category. If you don't want to do that, you can also just click on the chosen ones. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom in order to continue. Then click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which one of those connection ways you want to use. If you want to use QR code, tap on this scanning icon on an Android located above User Guide. Now to allow camera access, select Allow, or in this case Once, or Allow only while using the app. Then just point your Android camera at the code. If you wish to input 6-digit key instead, just click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers from Oppo smartphone and hit Receive button. So when I click, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!